How to shop Amazon warehouse deals. Want to save money on used products? This guide shows you how you can shop Amazon warehouse deals so you can get a great discount on used products. First, open the Amazon shopping app. In the search bar, type in Amazon Warehouse. The Amazon Warehouse store will appear at the top of the search results. Tap on it to go to the store. You'll see a variety of products that will appear from electronics to home goods with a discount. You should know that Amazon warehouse deals are pre-owned, used, or open box products. They come with quality grade like used, like new, used, very good, or used, good. You'll see the quality grades on the products page. It's a great way to get a great discount on used products. All the Amazon warehouse deals are backed with Amazon's return policy. You can return a product if you're not happy with it. It's a great way to save money on your orders. But you should be careful when you buy used products. You should know how to shop Amazon warehouse deals. Get ready to get a great discount on used products. Like and subscribe for more app tips.